In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 profitable side hustles that Nigerian stay-at-home moms or students can use to start making money here in Nigeria. Now, these are not get-rich-quick schemes, they are not scams, and they work in Nigeria or in Africa generally. So if you're looking for how to better your finances, how to improve on what you spend, or how to live more comfortable life here in Nigeria, do well to stick with me to the end of this video, because I'll be unleashing 5 profitable side hustles that you don't know of, or you have probably not heard of, or you have probably heard of but don't know how to activate it and start making money here in Nigeria. With that being said, guys, let's head straight into the video. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hello, hi, this is Kemi of Self Hustle, and all we do here is talk about financial freedom. We'll talk about how to land remote jobs, how to get remote jobs, how to get freelancer jobs, how to start freelancing, and how to improve your finances as a lady in Nigeria or in Africa or in the world as a whole. So with that being said, guys, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share. Now, the first thing we'll talk about is to start revamping. Now, when I mean start revamping, I'm not talking about start hair revamping. No, I'm talking about starting a page revamp. Now, there are a lot of small businesses here in Nigeria that their page do not actually speak of what they sell, or their page did not actually talk about what they're trying to make sales from on their social media pages. Now, you can go on Google and learn about digital marketing for a few days or a few weeks, and you can also use YouTube to learn about digital marketing and how to revamp page on your own, and you will use that as a way of making money from small businesses that are looking to make their pages visible and much more approachable and better. So all you have to do is to look for pages that are trying to market their product but don't really have a set page, like their page is not set for what they are trying to market. So let me give you a realistic example. Let's say on Instagram or on TikTok, you actually found a page that the page owner is an wholesaler or a distributor who is willing to sell, who sells wares, clothing, maybe bedspread and all of those things, and then she posts maybe a picture of what she sells instead of posting a video of what she sells. Her page does not even communicate what she sells. You can just reach out to that brand or that page, and then you tell them that I can help you to revamp your page. For instance, your bio doesn't speak of what you sell, or the supplier is actually in Abuja. You can have something like clothing vendor in Abuja, or the best clothing vendor in Abuja. Then you list out what that vendor sells, maybe Nigerian made wears, English wears, Turkish wears, and then you list it out that this brand has actually helped over 50 women look elegant to different occasions, and this brand has actually been able to receive reviews and customer rating positively. So you're able to set their page. Now, all you have to do is to look for their competitors, how they are able to set their page, and help that particular brand set the page that will look more of a global brand than what it is or what it looks like. Now, you can actually offer to do maybe the name setting or something like that for free, or you can create a page and do something like that, and then you send to that particular supplier that this is what I'm trying to do for you, if you can pay me, or if you can pay me a token amount. Now, it is not something that they will make money over like all of a sudden. No, you have to work towards it, and you have to be able to land brand deals and all of those things. That is the first thing. You need to know how to revamp a page if you're trying to make money here in Nigeria or in Africa as a whole. The next thing is to start WhatsApp ad. Now, WhatsApp ads, a lot of people don't know it exists, but it's actually working, and a lot of people don't even know that they can make a lot of money from branding their WhatsApp and turning their WhatsApp into a business. Let's assume you are a friendly kind of person and you have maybe like people like over 200 people viewing your status every day. You can turn this to a business. All you have to do is to screenshot the total number of views you make in a day. Some people have as high as 1,000 views from whatever post they post on their status. So all you have to do is to create a brand around it. You can even create an Instagram page around it that you can give people more visibility with the power of your WhatsApp ad, and you charge. Maybe for a status a day, you can charge like 1,000 naira. Imagine you have students around you that are willing to promote their businesses, and then maybe they send you a picture or a video of what they sell, and you post on your social media, and that particular student that has never made sales online actually made one sales from that your post on her status, can actually still decide to come back and ask you to post on your status for the entire week for her. So some people are actually monetizing that. You can make up to like 5,000 naira from that, up to like 15,000 naira from that every week, as long as you are able to build a brand around it. Now the third one requires kind of skill. It requires your skill. Now there are a lot of people on TikTok that teach you how to create simple short commercials. Yes, you can create commercials around maybe brand. There's this lady on TikTok that actually created a commercial around agbalumo. I mean the cherry, the normal apple cherry that we know, the normal cherry that we know. She created a unique commercial about that particular fruit, and it went trending, and people actually reaching out to her for brand deals, and she's just a starter. So you can decide to also work on that, create commercials on that, but you have to learn it. You learn maybe from TikTok or from YouTube how to create commercials, and you learn how to set using Canva and CapCut. There are actually free apps for you to learn how to create commercials or profitable content. Now the next one is to become a short video editor, like editing short for content creators. Some content creators actually just post their short like that, but then again, if you can add spices to that short, or add, you know, the intro, the hook, and within 2 seconds, yes, give them a good hook from their short within 2 seconds, and they're able to gain traffic, or they're able to get traction with that particular short, they'll definitely reach out to you back to back to create editing videos for them. Now for businesses, especially businesses that involve wares and all those on TikTok or on YouTube, you can actually reach out to them to create amazing short video clips, edit it for them for a token. Maybe you give them like free samples, maybe 2 or so free samples from actually their page. Now let me say something about this. I've had a video editor. When I needed a video editor, I've had someone reach out to me. What the guy did was actually that I had a lot of applications, but what this particular guy did was he requested for my page, and he went on my page and downloaded about 2 of my videos and edited those 2 videos for free, and then sent it back to me. Now those 2 videos were well edited. We have the intro, we have the hook, like we have beautiful overlays, we have text on, we have a lot. Like the text were actually beautiful. The free pictures he used was from Pixabay, like free copyright pictures. Then you know that this particular person knows what he or she is doing. He knows its sauce, he knows its onions. So I was moved, and I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. Now his own application stood out because he was able to put in the work and then sent it to me and was like, it's for free. And I was like, wow, thank you so much, and I would love to actually employ you, let's negotiate. And that was how I was able to employ him. Now this is it. Even if the person you're doing this for does not employ you, you can add that particular video to your portfolio. Maybe if it is a long video, you can short it and add it to your portfolio, so it is still a win-win for you. Now the last but not the least is to start a faceless TikTok page. Now a lot of you don't know that you can actually start making money on TikTok now, but all you have to do is you first need an international account, especially a UK account. If you have someone in the UK, or if you have someone that stays there and can actually open the account for you, that is a super amazing luck for you. Now if you don't, there are a lot of eligible, or there are a lot of legit accounts on TikTok that can actually help you open a UK account, but you have to pay them. So I think they charge 10,000 naira or 15,000 naira to actually open a UK account for you. Now all you have to do is to wait for maybe about a week or 2 before you start posting on that UK account. You don't just log it in once they send you the details. You have to wait for a week, and then before you log in and you start posting. Now you can work on, now TikTok is a little bit, how will I put it, easy to create faceless niches on, because they have their own community guideline as well, but it is really not as strict as YouTube. That is the truth. So all you have to do is look for faceless content, or people doing faceless content. I have seen a lady that does faceless content on TikTok, and she makes about $300 every month on TikTok. Yes, her faceless content was about zodiac signs. Now you can do a lot of faceless content about that. You can do anyone about, you know, philosophy. You can do about inspiration. You can do faceless content about virtually anything you want on TikTok. And TikTok, you can easily get views. So if you know that you are interested in that, please do well to make your own research about it before you start paying someone to get you the TikTok account, the UK TikTok account. And please be careful of scam, because there are a lot of scammers out there who are willing to scam you of your hard-earned money. But just try and try and check for legit websites or legit individuals on TikTok, especially celebrities that are willing to open a UK account for you for a token. Now, since most of what we talked about are focused on small businesses, now you ask me that, are there no ways that you can reach out to these small businesses? The first way is you can try cold outreach. Cold outreach is you just messaging them and telling them what you are, what you do, introducing yourself and what you do, and telling them, okay, based on what I do, I have seen some errors on your page, and I can actually help you to correct them, and you'll be able to get more traffic or more traction or make more sales with my corrections. Now you send them samples of the works you have done, or sample of one of their post that you have actually corrected for them to see. Now you can do that for so many businesses until you get response. Is to create sample, although the two are actually aligning with each other, because you still have to reach out to them, but you have to make sure that you have your samples at hand. Then you send your samples to them, and then you create your portfolio and send to them, and then you make sure that you also have a page on either TikTok or on Instagram where you're trying to build your brand. It is as simple as that. So if you know that you are interested in any of these profitable side hustles that I have listed, state it in the comment section, because it is actually not encouraging for you to try and do everything at once. No, please do what to pick just one that resonates well with you, or just one that you know that you can actually leverage on it and start using it to equip yourself. Now if you do not know the ads part, the one I talked about, the ads part, people are actually cashing out a lot on using the ads, and it is super simple to use. So please let me know in the comment section which of these skills you will actually go for, or which of the side be interested in signing up for or trying out. With that being said, guys, if up to this level you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.